All right, welcome back to Sauceman's Garage. Right now we're going to do the PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation valve, 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. So the PCV valve, the replacement part number is there. This is the 3.6 or 3600 V6 engine, GM engine. And here we go. So we'll replace it. Your PCV valve on this engine is located under this unit here. So what we'll do is we'll flip up gently this tab to release the electrical connection. And then this unit, a slight twist, nice and easy on the base. Twist here, if we can get it. Oh, I don't think this one's been done in a while. Let me get a screwdriver here. We'll do something very gingerly. So what you can do is just use the housing here, give it a little jiggle so it moves to the left. And then once we get it moving to the left, there we go, pops off. Just be very gentle with it because it is brittle. This is the spring part for it, which is good. We'll put that off to the side. And here's our PCV valve inside. So what we'll do is, just for the sake of you guys, so you guys can see it, is we'll pop the old one out. Give it a little jiggle. Oop, there we go. Pop the old one out. You see it has an O-ring on it. There's also a larger O-ring on top. So we will put that to the side here. Again, we're going to compare our old and our new parts. Let's see what's in the box here. So in the box, oops, we have only the PCV valve. So the repair for this, I guess is the full repair would be to replace all the O-rings. I didn't order that kit. We're just going to replace the actual PCV valve itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to nice and easily give that a nice, make sure that's nice and still malleable rubber, which it is. And we'll replace that O-ring onto this unit. We'll inspect our O-ring here, which seems to be still in decent condition. And we'll prop the PCV valve into place, make sure it's seated, which it is. And then we will replace the housing assembly, which basically pushes down. And just make sure that you're connecting the cogs on either side, which is this cog here, with the slot, because what you want to do is you want to push this down and then rotate it slightly clockwise. So we will be pushing this down onto the cogs. Again, be careful, it's quite a delicate housing. And then we're going to rotate the whole assembly once we push it down clockwise. There we go. And that's on. Double check. So we've rotated it, we've pushed it down, we've rotated it, and now it's connected. All we need to do now, take your weather pack, inspect it, make sure you don't have any problems. Reconnect it. Always put your finger at the back of the sensor when pushing on, because like I said, this assembly is notorious for being very brittle. And that's how you replace the PCV valve on a 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix with the V6 engine. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.